Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get Canva Pro for free as a student and unlock all its amazing premium features. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look at the top navigation bar where you'll find an option called Education. Hover your mouse over Education to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. In this menu, click on Teachers and Schools, which is typically the first option listed. On the next page, under the Teachers section, click on Get Verified. You'll then need to log in using your student email ID, typically one that ends with .edu. Perform login quickly. Once successfully logged in, you'll see a banner that says, Welcome to Canva for Education, confirming that all premium features have been unlocked. Now, your Canva Pro account is all set up, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.